Welcome you all. Welcome you all, students. In this session, trends of international business for the BCom 5th semester students of University of Mysore. In this session, we'll study trends in international business. In this, various trends of international business we will going to study. Before going to study this session, let us recap the last session what we have studied and understood. In last session, we have understood about the advantages of international business, understand the trends of international businesses and its functional modes, right? The learning objective of this session is to understand the current trends and scenario in global business and to study the different trends of international. After studying this session, we'll come to understand the trends of international business and its functional. Let us start trends of international business. The first one, growing emerging markets. Developing countries will see the highest economic growth as they come closer to the standards of developing living of the developed world. If you want your business to grow rapidly, consider selling into one of these emerging markets. Language, financial stability, economic system, and local cultural factors can influence which market should favor. Next one, population and demographic shifts. The population of the industrialized world is growing while many developing countries will have very youthful population. Next one, speed of innovation. The pace of innovation is increasing as many new companies develop new products and improved versions of traditional items. Technical development, this trend will intensify as more businesses in developing countries acquire the expertise to innovate successfully. Next one, more informed buyers. More informed buyers will lead to a good trend creating towards the international business. Increased business competition. As more businesses enter international markets, Western companies will see increased competition because companies based in developing markets often have lower labor costs. The challenge for the firms is to keep ahead with faster and more effective innovation. Next one, slower economic growth. Slower economic growth leads to differences in balance of payments, and the currency's devaluation also leads to one of the trend making in international business. If it is an economic growth very slow, then the business also will grow very slowly. In communication, more intense and more rapid communications allow customers everywhere to purchase products made anywhere around the globe and to access information about what to buy as pricing and quality information become available across all markets. Emergence of clean technology. Business must take into account the environmental impact of their normal operations. They can try to market environmentally friendly technologies internationally. The advantages of this market is that it is expected to grow more rapidly than the overall economy. Thank you.